So I was cleaning out my closet, my room. I have a pretty small house and I am a minimalist and I hate clutter. So I try to have as little clutter as possible and as little stuff as possible. But because my house is small, it piles up every once in a while. And so I was like doing this deep dive, like a deep purge, and like going through all stuff and papers and clothing and bathing suits that I don't wear. And I was feeling really good. Like I was excited, like it was feeling fresh and it was feeling yummy. And I was like, oh, and it took me like a while, a couple of days. I paced myself over time. And almost done. I'm not done. But this morning, as I was like making some headway, I said to my husband, like, I always do this, but like it always comes back. Like it just gets messy again. Like, what do I do? And like I laughed at myself because this is literally like, and then I said, like, I just need some kind of like maintenance plan. And then I was like, oh, this is literally what I talk about all the time, which is that the same actions that we need to do in order to get the mess away is the same actions that we need to do to keep the mess away, just in a smaller sense. So if I'm spending an hour a day for 2 weeks decluttering, I need to continue by spending 5 minutes a day, always or most days, to keep the clutter away. And I think that this is very true for weight loss for sure, because, right, if we expect that we're going to lose the weight and then we can just go back to our old habits, we'll just go get what we got, which is an accumulation eventually. But if we continue just putting in at least, 10, 20, 30% of the effort that we were putting in when we were losing the weight, we can more likely keep it off. But the idea is that we want to think about that as we're in the process of cleaning or losing or fixing our relationship or growing our business or whatever it is, which is that we can't just take the actions in order to get where we want to go. We need to do the same actions to stay where we want to